Thank you for joining in, and for today's video we're just going to jump right into it here. I have some Amazon favorites that are also currently on sale. So if you're in the market looking for some art supplies on sale, or even just shopping for like Easter, these are some things that you can look into. So for starters here, this set is from Grabie. It's one of their travel watercolor sets, and that top flap does come down for your palette area, and then it also includes this water brush. So if you've never seen one of these, you just twist it and then it comes apart, and then that's where you're going to put your water, and then screw it back on, and then you just squeeze it gently, and then you'll start to see the little bead of water come out. And it is nice and secure. It won't fall out. And then here on the side, these slide right out. Then you have all your colors. This particular set has 56 different colors. So you definitely have a wide variety there. Just a couple nice little pastel colors up top. And then there's a little sponge there in the middle too. And if you wanted to, if you were outside and you needed to hang on to your palette, you can use the ring on the back. It is lightweight too because it's plastic. And then when everything is all dry, you can push them back together there. And on the other side here, we have a few metallic colors, as well as some of the deeper ones like your purple, blues, and greens. And next up here, these are really popular. A lot of people like the Ohuhu brand. This is the set that I have. It's 60 different colors in here. I really like the case that this one comes in. And I noticed I was checking everything on Amazon this morning to see what was on sale. They have a set very similar, and it's 48 colors. So I just wanted to say, when you do click the link, it may be slightly different, but they're just, you can check the colors and see which one you like better too, because they offer a lot of different sets if you know anything about Ohuhu. And these are the dual tip. So you have two different sizes there. One's the brush tip, and then one's a bit finer. It does come with the swatch card there, and I like how everything is numbered, but also everything stays in place. That's what I really like about that container. So you could even put it down on its side too. And then on the bottom you can see as well. They layer really nice. Everything is nice and smooth, vibrant. And as long as we're talking about markers here really quick, I am going to show the notebook as well. That's the little Ohuhu up in the corner there, their logo. So it's just a standard black journal, and this is specifically made for the markers. So there's no show through on the other side. It does have the page divider there, the little string so you can keep your page. And it also has the little perforated edges, so if you wanted to tear out sheets, you can. Next up here we have another watercolor set. So this one is Paul Rubens. It's part of their student grade line, and it's one of the Mei Ling ones. They have a couple different varieties too. I just wanted to show a favorite here really quick that's currently on sale. So this one has the 52 different colors. It does come with a water brush pen, a pencil, and a little fine liner. I just took them out so I could use the top piece as a palette. But this is a great set for beginners because it does come with those few extras. I have another small watercolor travel set here this one is from Meeden. So it comes with these 3 brushes right here, the water brush pens. And you have, so a larger flat one, a smaller one, and then a round brush as well. So you have 3 different sizes. And then it also comes with a smaller one off on the side. And this set has the little sponge up top if you need it, and it has 42 different colors. So you have a few metallics up top here, like a pearl, that shimmery pink, your standard gold and silver. There's some cute pastel colors as well as all of your regular colors. And then there's a small palette there too. So great for on the go, very easy to move around. And I have a set here, these, it was 3 black and then 3 white from Grabie. They're paint markers and they have a nice fine tip, but you can use them for a wide variety of things. I've used them on top of watercolors for details and also on top of the regular paint markers. So, and then of course you can use them on like wood, canvas, rocks, all different types of items there. So yeah, they definitely come in handy. And I will show an example. The white is nice and bright. I did a couple stars and some small details here in my little night scene. And I have shown these before, but they are really nice and currently on sale too. So these are the dual tip markers from Grabie. So they have the one color on one side, one on the other, and these are brush tip. So they have the nice flexible point. They have a wide variety of colors as well. I have the smaller set, it was 36, and I do believe there's an even bigger one too if you want it. It's in the 70s, it might be 72. And that wraps it up for today's quick video. I just wanted to share some things that are currently on sale and that I enjoy using. You can be sure to tell us your favorite down below. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.